Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to close background apps on your Galaxy A16, all versions. There are two methods I'll be showing in this video. The first is by tapping here and swiping up, or by tapping here to close all apps running in the background. The second method is by going into the settings icon. You will scroll down and you need to enable developer mode. I'm going to disable it so I can show you how to enable this mode. So we're going to go in here, scroll down to software information, and here on build number, no. I think it's this option. Here, you'll start tapping several times until it asks for your phone's password. You enter the password and developer mode is enabled. If you don't have a password, it won't ask for anything. We go back, scroll down here, and we have developer options. Here, you scroll down until you find the Apps or Applications option. Once you're in, you'll click on this option and set it to No Background Processes. This way, when you exit an app, the background process will be closed, okay? So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I helped, don't forget to like, leave your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.